Yes, 11 Nifty companies with a combined weightage of nearly 30% will be reporting their numbers next week. Let's start off with the biggest of them all, HDFC Bank, with a Nifty weightage of nearly 14%, which will be reporting its numbers on Monday. And this will be the first time it will be reporting merged entity results. Management commentary on net interest margin trajectory, loan and deposit growth outlook will be crucial this time around. Bajaj Finance too will be reporting its numbers on Tuesday, where operating expenses are likely to moderate, while credit costs are expected to come down by a marginal 5 basis points on a sequential basis. Wipro too will be reporting its numbers, where revenues are expected to decline by about 1.2% on a sequential basis, while margins could see a recovery of about 50 basis points, and that is on account of wage hike deferral that the company had undertaken. Meanwhile, LTI Mindtree, which is expected to report a decent 1.4% constant currency growth, while margins are expected to contract on account of wage hikes that the company had undertaken. Bajaj Auto margins are expected to expand by about 20 basis points. This is on account of lower commodity costs and price hikes that the company had undertaken in the quarter gone by. Indusind Bank, meanwhile, over here, loan growth is expected to be very strong. While for Ultratech Cement, remember this time around, expectations from the cement sector are very high. Second quarter is usually a seasonally weak quarter for cement companies, but this time around expectations are high. It was a good quarter. Demand continued to remain strong. Costs have come down on a sequential basis. Ultratech Cement's revenue is expected to increase by about 7% on a year-on-year basis. Nestle, meanwhile, sales growth of about 13% is what we have projected, while gross margin expansion will be aided on account of lower raw material prices. HUL over here also margins are expected to expand on account of lower palm oil prices, while outlook on discretionary consumption and management commentary around that will be crucial this time. ITC cigarette volumes are expected to grow by about 6% YOY, while gross margins and EBITDA margins both are expected to expand both on a sequential and YOY basis. Lastly, JSW Steel, coal costs are expected to come down in the second quarter, although they could pick up further in the second half of FY24. Management commentary on full year FY24 production and sales guidance will be crucial for JSW Steel this time.